Okay, curl friends, let's be honest. Have you tried this new Garnier curl range? The green packaging. It's called the Method for Curls Hair Mask. Because I tried it and my curls actually liked it. But is it amazing? Overhyped or just okay? Let's talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly. It comes in this green packaging and they even have a green room. It's pretty amazing. I usually love Garnier products, so I thought I've got to try this one. And the banana one is my absolute favorite. If you want to watch that video of the review I did on it, there you go. So the purpose of this hair mask is to deeply moisturize our curls, reduce frizz, and make styling easier. All the things I want, obviously. As you can see, I'm testing this on wash day. So I've shampooed first and now I'm using it as a deep conditioner. I didn't actually put conditioner. This smells really good. Clean, fresh, something like a spa, not overpowering, not fake fruity, just nice. However, the texture, it's very thick. Like you turn the jar upside down and it's sort of going down. It's a thick consistency, definitely. I thought a little would go a long way, but I felt like I needed more all the time, which is weird because there's definitely some wins here. Let's start with the good. I've got 4 good points for you. Number 1, moisture. My curls felt soft and hydrated after rinsing, not stripped, not squeaky. Number 2, slip. It has enough slip for detangling, especially on wet hair. Number 3, curl response. My curls actually responded well. They clumped nicely and they felt nourished. Number 4, accessibility. Affordable and easy to find, which is always a plus. They're in Sainsbury's, Tesco, like Garnier. This is why I love it. They're usually reasonably priced. Onto the bad, okay? No products are perfect, so I'm not knocking this, but I have 2 points that aren't good for me. Number 1, the thickness can be too much. If you have fine curls or low density hair, this might feel heavy if you use too much. Number 2, absorption. So when I applied it to my hair, it felt like my hair didn't absorb this at all. I know I have low density hair, but it just wasn't penetrating into my cuticle. So you need to give it a minute or 2 before you even brush it through. And then if you leave it on for a period of time, like 5 minutes, 10, 20 even, then you start seeing the real good stuff. So that's the only thing. It takes time for it to activate. If you're in a rush, this probably isn't the best product to use. Okay, so the ugly isn't terrible. As you can see, my curls are loving this. Look at the definition, the slip. Like once it's penetrated, we're good to go. So if your hair likes rich, thick masks, this might be your vibe. If your hair prefers lightweight formulas, proceed with caution, obviously. Like make sure your hair's wet. Do the necessary things for a thick product to absorb into your hair, like I said. For me, I try to do 2-strand twists. That way, once you've brushed the product through your hair, when you do a 2-strand twist, it actually really reminds your hair to curl. Have you ever heard curl training? This is what I do. And my curls loved this product. So for all the bad things that I was saying, oh, the good, the bad, the ugly, it actually is pretty good. And my hair is really lacking moisture. If you are lacking moisture in your routine, this product is the one for you. My hair feels moisturized. My curls feel soft, bouncy, like it is easy and no fairy knots. After you detangle with curly hair, sometimes the curls after that just knot up. Even after I've styled my hair on day 8, I was running my fingers through my hair and there were no knots, which is pretty amazing, right? It means this product is doing its job. So what's the final verdict? Of course, my curls liked it, like genuinely liked it. It smells great, it's thick, it's moisturizing, and it's easy to use. But is it my holy grail? I don't know. At the moment, it's doing wonders for my hair because it's so dry. Would I buy it again? Probably. Yeah, especially for wash days. It's very good. I haven't used it as a leave-in, but I'm sure it will work just as well. It's also got this 13% hyaluronic moisture complex and shea fatty acids. I think this is what makes it so good. Like the moisture is unbelievable. There's no silicones for a natural feel, no artificial colorants, and it actually gives you a step 0, step 1, step 2, step 3. It also shows you which products to use in which order. So you can buy it as a set or you can buy it individually. I've obviously got it individually, and it shows you proven efficiency, like before to after. Curls feel moisturized for 1 week, apparently. Designed for all curl types, including type 4 curls and coils. Yes, yes. The directions say after step 1, shampoo, this mask can be used in 2 ways. 1 on damp lengths as a rinse out mask, and 2 on damp or dry tips as a leave-in cream. And then follow with step 3, which is a spray. Vegan formula, cruelty free, it's good. It was tested on 79 people, no animal derived ingredients or byproducts. The real question is it Curls by Sharlene approved? Yes. Yes, my curls are happy. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new